Eureka NEC122 PowerPlush Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, Handheld Vacuum, Hard Floor Stick Vacuum Cleaner. Hard Floor Expert? The soft plush brush roll glides across hard floors and removes both large and small particles with ease. Easy to use? The 21.6V cordless vacuum allows you to clean every part of your house quickly and efficiently. Lightweight and maneuverable? With this portable stick vacuum at only 5.3 pounds, equipped with swivel steering and a low-profile nozzle, this vacuum is perfect for cleaning under and around furniture.